Ow! My arm! It hurts so much. I don't know what just happened. Please, somebody help me.
Leo, hold on! We are coming! Oh no, my baby, stay still!
Leo, please be okay. I am coming too. Today is going to be so fun. I love birthday parties so much.
Me too, Mia. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mia! Today is your special day. We have balloons and games for you.
The cake looks amazing today. Everyone is gonna have so much fun.
I am so excited. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, Mom and Dad. It's the best day ever.
I want to play games first. I can't wait to start playing right now.
Wait, Leo. Let's set up the party first. Then we can play all the games.
Okay, Dad. I will wait a little. The frosting looks so yummy. I really want to taste it. I will taste just a little bit. Just one small taste won't hurt.
Leo, don't touch the cake yet. The cake is for the party.
Oops. Sorry, Mom. I promise I will wait.
The cake is for the party, not for you. Please wait until it's time.
Okay, Mom. I understand now. Look! A big red balloon! It looks amazing. Can I hold the string? I will climb this chair to get it. Just a little higher now.
Leo, get down! That is not safe! Chairs are not for climbing!
But I really want that balloon, Dad. It looks like so much fun.
No climbing on chairs. Use your hands only.
Safety comes first, always. Okay, Dad. I am sorry. I will hide Mia's present. She will look everywhere for it. This is a good hiding spot. She will never find it here. Where is my present? I can't find it anywhere.
Don't worry, sweetie. We will find it together.
Yes, Mom. I hid Mia's gift. I'm sorry. I was jealous.
Leo, did you hide your sister's gift? Tell me the truth now.
Yes, I am sorry, Mia. Here it is, I found it. That was not funny, Leo. Please don't do that again.
Now it's time for the piñata game!
Yeah!
Everyone gather around, please. All right, everyone, let's stay back and stay safe. We need to make sure that everybody gets a turn. Now, who is going to be the first one to try?
I want to go first. Give me the stick right now. No, Leo. It is my turn now. Please wait for your turn. Fine. I will wait, but hurry up.
Good listening, Leo. Thank you for waiting so nicely.
Your birthday crown looks silly, Mia. It really doesn't fit you.
Stop it, Leo. That is mean. Please don't say things like that.
Leo, do not tease your sister today. It is her special day.
I am sorry, Mia. I did not mean it. Please forgive me.
It's okay. Just be nice, please. Let's have fun together now.
I will run and get more balloons. I'll be back very soon. Whoa! Huh? The hose is in my way. I did not see it there. Ouch! I am all wet and muddy. My clothes are a big mess now.
Look at you, Leo. You look so funny right now.
Be careful, buddy. Watch your step next time.
The red balloon is stuck in the tree now. I really want to get it back. I will climb the fence to reach it. It doesn't look too high to me.
Leo, wait! That is too high. Please come down right now.
Leo, get down right now. It's dangerous up there.
I can do it. Just one more step. I am almost at the balloon now. Ow! My arm! It hurts so much.
Leo! Oh my God, are you okay? Please say something to me.
My arm hurts so much. I think I fell down really hard. Please help me, Mom.
Leo, please be okay. I am really scared right now.
We must see a doctor right away. Let's go now, everyone.
It is just a small sprain, not broken. You will feel better very soon.
Thank you, Doctor. I feel much safer now. I promise to be more careful.
Let's go home and finish the party. Everyone is waiting for us there.
Mia, I am sorry I ruined your birthday. I should have listened to Dad.
It's okay, Leo. I am just happy you are safe. That is all that matters. That is all that matters.
We are so proud of you both today. You handled this so well.
I promise to listen to warnings next time.
Now let's cut my birthday cake together.
Rule number 1, always listen to your parents' warnings.
Rule number 2, never climb on chairs, fences, or trees alone. Rule number 3, be kind and do not tease your family.
Rule number 4, if you get hurt, tell an adult right away.
Thanks for watching with us today. We had so much fun.
Bye-bye. Stay safe, everyone.
See you next time.